As you all guys know that 2 days ago, the NEET exams result came, the NEET 2025 exams result came, and a lot of students get good grades. They are so close to their dream and they got their dream college, and that's a good thing. And every institute is talking about them that they study in that institute, they studied in that institute. Everyone is talking about them, and that's a good thing that they did hard work and that's paying off. But no one is talking about the students who couldn't able to reach the place they wanted, who couldn't able to beat this exam, who couldn't able to just score the marks they wanted and get their dream college, and they're a step closer to their dream. No one is talking about them. And if you think that, oh, it's just a content to you, let me clear it out. It's not just a content to me. It's my life path. Like, I worked on it, and I also survived NEET 2025. Yeah, I gained my NEET 2025, but as you all guys know that the NTA being so unpredictable, my result also didn't came the way I wanted. Everything just not worked the way I wanted. And it's not like I didn't give my 100%. I gave my 100%, but things didn't work the way I wanted. A lot of you may give your 100%. A lot of you was so obsessed that at this time you will get your college. But like, nothing works out the way you wanted. Everything is not alright. Everything feels to you is just worthless. Maybe some of you are so depressed right now. Some of you may thinking about some bad decisions, which is not good. So I just want to tell you that first, do not take any wrong steps. Like guys, listen. When you given your whole life to exam, like from your childhood, you are thinking about becoming a doctor, becoming an engineer. But when you give exam, the result doesn't come out the way you want. Everything's just starting feeling like nothing. Your life starts feeling like you have nothing to do, but it's not true. I know that exam is very important to you. Getting that dream college is very important to you, but it is just a part of your life. It's not your whole life. And it's not that another video in which I will tell you that take another drop and score good marks in NEET 2026. Do this, do that, this timetable. I'm not going to do that. I'm just telling you that here, whatever you are feeling right now is okay. You are feeling failure. You are feeling depressed. You are feeling that nothing is going to work out in your life. Every feeling you are feeling right now is okay. But what you guys need right now is your parent support. Like, you can hear each and everyone around you against you. You can handle them all. But the thing is that when your parents are with you, you can win this world. So if any parents are watching this video, I just want to tell you that give support to your son, your daughter, to your children. At this time, they really needs you. They really needs that it's okay if they couldn't able to get their dream college. They just need you. So make sure to not make them feel alone, to not make them feel that everything is worthless. Do not make them feel like that. And sometimes our parents also forget that we are humans too. And they've seen our hard work, they've seen our late night studies, they've seen our early wake ups, they've seen everything. They've seen that we are skipping parties, we are skipping weddings of our families, we are skipping, sometimes we skipped meal too. They've seen each and everything, but they forget that still we are humans and we are their children. They forget that this exam is just part of their life. It's not their whole life. Like, some parents are so supportive and they support their children so much, but some parents just are so into marks. They just need marks. So I just want to tell that do not do this. And guys, listen one thing, that I know this exam is so much important to you. Like, this exam is like everything to you. I know everything. But the most important thing if you couldn't able to do this, maybe something is better for you. If you couldn't able to reach that place, it's not like life is end. No, there is a lot to do in your life. So make sure to not think any bad thing about yourself and to not think any bad thing, like any bad thing. And take your time, relax a bit, talk to your friends, talk to your family member, talk to everyone you want who makes you feel heard. And whatever you are feeling, you can comment down on this video. And make sure that there is big journey ahead. There is so many things you have to win, and you can. So this is just an exam. Always remember this. If you are planning to again taking a drop, if you are planning that no, NEET is not for you, and if you already taken a drop, NEET 2026, whatever you are going to do, I'm not giving any advice that do not give drop, do not give NEET 2026, and give 2026. I'm not going to tell anything. Like, it's your decision, it's your life. You can do whatever you want. But be honest. Do not take any bad actions. Do not think of anything like that. Like, and one more thing, that if this time NEET 2025 isn't for you, make sure to think that is it your dream? Is it really your dream? Or it's just relatives or your surroundings dream that they put on you? Think about that, and after that, do whatever you want. If you want to take drop, take another drop for NEET 2026. If you don't want that, you are just tired of NEET, do another thing. There are so many things, like you can go like in other medical fields, or you can go other than medical fields. You can do whatever you want. And there is a lot of things ahead in your life which needs you. So make sure to be happy and be around to your loved ones. Bye bye.